this is Olivia, your guide to all things CPM Access. This week, we're going to talk about what happens when you upload an XCR file into the wrong project. Let's get started. We'll begin on our projects page, assuming that you have been uploading XCRs and have just uploaded the wrong file into your project. First, identify which WBS you uploaded your file into. Then, click on the hamburger menu in the WBS bar. Select Go to Tile page. Find the tile that corresponds to the project you uploaded the incorrect file into. Here, you will see tile cards with all of your recent uploads. Identify which one is the XCR you want to remove from CPM Access. Click on the three vertical dots to open up the Edit menu. Select Delete this file. Great! Now we've removed the file that we don't want in there. Next, we need to re-upload the correct file. Here's a shortcut on how to do that from the tile page. Simply select Upload an XCR file. Create a display name, select the import type, and then click on Choose XCR file. Quick tip: a good display name for your XCR upload is today's date. This will help you identify which file was uploaded when. Once you have selected your file, click Upload. Problem solved. Now we can get back to uploading all our other XCRs. Happy scheduling!